And this is the moment that Elaine Thomson Herah made history by becoming the fastest woman in the world, defeating Shericka Jackson, Shelly and Fraser Pryce, and of course Shericka Jackson. Not also forgetting Mary Josie Taylor from Africa. And I feel like this is the moment that truly crowns Elaine Thomson Herah as the GOAT of female sprinting. Yes, in case you do not know, a lot of people refer to Elaine Thomson Herah as the greatest female sprinter to ever live on earth, that is apart from Flojo world record. Now the difference between Elaine Thomson Herah fastest time and Flojo world record is that Flojo is dead while Elaine Thomson Herah is alive, which makes her the fastest woman alive, while Flojo is the fastest woman to ever lived on earth. And do not forget that the time that Elaine Thomson Herah ran was 10.54, making her the fastest woman alive. And she ran this time in the United States of America, precisely in Eugene Diamond League. And since from then, a lot of people now believe that Elaine Thomson Herah will have to be the only athlete that has the highest chance of breaking the Flojo world record. Now, guess what, track fans? There is a chance of Elaine Thomson Herah finally breaking the total record of Flojo, which is a time of 10.49, and it has to happen in Paris Olympic. Not concluding the fact that there are going to be top sprinters like Shericka Jackson, Shelly and Fraser Pryce, Shericka Jackson. Definitely she has the right athlete to push her to the limit of breaking that Flojo world record, and it's definitely going to be exciting, and it's going to be a great history moment for Jamaica as a nation to have both GOAT from in the male side and also another one from the female. I mean, Usain Bolt has the male record, right, in the 100 and 200. Now guess what happened when Ellen finally ties that record in the female side of the event? Definitely Jamaica will be exalted among other nations. Jamaica will become like a diamond city. Jamaica will become like a hero country, because I mean, it's gonna be amazing and I can't wait for that to happen. And let's not also forget that 2023 was a very poor season for Elaine Thomson Herah. Normally Elaine Thomson Herah is not known in World Athletics. In fact, if you watch the Oregon 2022 World Athletics, you would definitely know that the commentator said that this is the first time Elaine Thomson Herah is getting a medal from a World Athletic, and that specifies that she is not actually good in each year when it comes to World Athletics. But what about the Olympics? What about the Olympics? Just what about the Olympics? Elaine Thomson Herah is that girl when it comes to Olympics. She knows her tactics, she knows her ability, she knows what she wants in Olympics, and she keeps going for it. And in case you do not know, she is a double Olympic champion, and this year I feel like it's not going to be an exception for Elaine Thomson Herah. Call me crazy, but trust me, I'm a big fan of this woman. I'm a big fan of this amazing athlete, and I love her with all my heart, like 100%. I support Elaine Thomson Herah, despite the fact that she has a lot of ups and downs recently. Yes, like the changing of coaches, her husband coaching her, and a lot of people speculating rumors that her husband is the one that kind of slowed down her career back then in 2023. Well, it is what it is. We have times that we kind of fail. We have time that we rise. That is life. You cannot expect Elaine Thomson Herah to always be at top. There has to be a moment that she kind of go down and a moment where she rise up. And I feel like this Paris Olympic, she is going to prove to those people who feel like, oh, she is no longer my athlete. She's gonna prove those people wrong. I feel like this Paris Olympic is an opportunity for Elaine Thomson Herah to write another history. It's another moment for Elaine Thomson Herah to shoot down those athletic fans that are feeling like, oh, we need to cut her off. She is no longer in the game. Yes, she has to prove those kind of people wrong that, look, I'm still that girl, I'm still that woman, I'm still that Olympic girl I'm still that double champion, and I'm still gonna do it in Paris Olympic. Although I feel like this year Paris Olympic is going to be very competitive. Yes, and it is the fact, track fans, considering the fact that there is Shericka Richardson, the winner of Budapest World Athletic, makes things worse. Now let's not also forget that Shelly and Fraser will be making her last Olympic outing. Definitely Shelly will be targeting gold medal or either flojo world record. So I feel like there is a lot of pressure. I feel like there is a lot of pressure for all the athletes to do better. So the competition is gonna be hot, and I always say this in my athletic podcast videos that Paris Olympic is going to be one of the most exciting athletics female racing event we have ever witnessed in the whole entire history of athletics, because we have all the top sprinters, we have all the queens, we have everything we need in Paris Olympic. And definitely I can't wait. I don't know what you watching this video you are feeling right now, but for me, I feel like I can't wait for Paris Olympic to begin. And another thing I love about Elaine Thomson Herah is the fact that she is a very humble athlete. She she respects herself a lot. You can't, like, she's not dramatic, and I love the fact that she is not dramatic as other athletes. She's just calm, she is gentle, she is everything a man will want in a woman. She is just amazing. She doesn't find trouble. She's calm, you know. She smiles and everybody likes her. Everybody likes Elaine Thomson Herah. Everybody want to take pictures with her. As you can see, this white man is taking pictures with her, and it's actually a beautiful moment for Elaine Thomson Herah. And I feel like Elaine Thomson Herah has a good heart. Yes, because that is life for you. The truth is people that have good heart are the ones that life always tries to messed up with. Because Elaine Thomson Herah, she's not dramatic, like I said earlier on. She doesn't find anybody's trouble, and that is when you see people trying to find her trouble, because she doesn't find trouble. Yes, that's life for you. When you don't find people's trouble, you're just on your own, you're just minding your business. That is when you see that even those people that are finding trouble are not seeing the trouble, but you that you're just minding your business, you keep seeing people trying to find your trouble, and that's life for you. That's life, and that is what Elaine Thomson Herah is facing right now. She's just minding her business, but a lot of things just keep like last year in Budapest, there were a lot of issues in the championship that was going on with Elaine Thomson Herah in particular. And you see, all these kind of things did not happen with Shelly, right? It didn't happen with Shericka, only Elaine Thomson Herah. Why would it be Elaine Thomson Herah, the greatest woman? Why? Just why? And that's why I keep telling people, it's good to be good, but you need to have your boundaries, right? You need to have your boundaries. Anyway, and that is today's podcast about Elaine Thomson Herah making history and shocking the Jamaicans and the whole wide world. And always remember that Running Factory will give you the best podcast. Like, my podcast is just on top of the world. I make sure that I'm very controversial in my videos, and this is why you need to subscribe, because you will love to see more of these videos, right? So give this video a like, thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also share this video. If you have anything you want to say, leave it in the comment section. Let me hear your opinions about what you think about Elaine Thomson Herah breaking flojo world record in Paris Olympic. Just talk about Elaine Thomson Herah in the comment section. I will be happy if I see that.